TPC-C, short for Transaction Processing Performance Council Benchmark C, is a benchmark used to compare the performance of online transaction processing systems. This industry standard was published in August 1992 and eventually replaced the earlier TPC-A, which was declared obsolete in 1995. It has undergone a number of changes to keep it relevant as computer performance grew by several orders of magnitude, with the current version, as of 2021, 5.11, released in 2010. In 2006, a newer OLTP benchmark was added to the suite, TPC-E, but Tpc-C remains in widespread use. The Tpc-C system models a multi-warehouse wholesale operation, known simply as the company. In a minimal test, the company has 10 warehouses, each with 10 user terminals. Each warehouse serves 10 defined sales districts, each with 3,000 customers who are ordering against a product catalog of 100,000 items. The most frequent transactions are customer orders, with an average of 10 items on each order, and customer payments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.